Hey there, friends. Have you ever been frustrated with your printer's ink cartridges? You know, those tiny little bags that cost an arm and a leg just to replace? Well, I've got some fantastic news for you. I'm about to share with you a game-changing printer that's completely transforming the way I work and play. Say hello to the Epson EcoTank ET-4800 wireless. This incredible device is a total lifesaver for anyone tired of dealing with expensive ink cartridges. With its innovative cartridge-free printing system, you can print up to 4,500 pages per black inkset and 7,700 pages per color inkset. That's equivalent to about 10,000 prints using traditional ink cartridges. But what does that really mean? Well, it means you can fill your ink tanks with any type of ink you want, whenever you want, without having to worry about running out of ink or dealing with the hassle of replacing cartridges. And let me tell you, this is a total game changer for anyone who prints frequently, whether you're a student, a small business owner, or just someone who loves to print out funny memes on their cat's birthday. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it really worth it? And my answer is a resounding yes. The Epson EcoTank ET-4800 wireless produces some of the most impressive print quality I've ever seen. With its unique micro-piezo heat-free technology, you can get sharp text and vibrant colors on virtually any paper type, whether you're printing out documents, photos, or even just a to-do list for your kids. But it's not just about the prints themselves. It's also about the impact it has on our planet. With this printer, you can help reduce the amount of cartridge waste ending up in landfills. That may seem like a small thing, but trust me, it adds up. And then there's the scanner and copier built into this amazing device. I mean, who needs an extra piece of equipment when you've got a printer that can do it all? The Workforce ES50 Epson scanner is actually one of the fastest mobile single-sheet-fed document scanners in its class. It can scan a single page in just 5.5 seconds. And with Nuance OCR included, you can easily scan, review, and save important files. But what really gets me excited about this printer is how easy it is to use. The Epson ScanSmart software makes it incredibly simple to scan documents and photos, while the automatic feeding mode lets you combine multi-page scans into one file in a snap. And with its compact design, you can take it on the go wherever you need to be. So there you have it. The Epson EcoTank ET-4800 wireless is a total powerhouse of a printer that's changing my life. And I know it will change yours too. With its incredible print quality, eco-friendly design, and built-in scanner and copier, this printer has everything you need to take your printing and scanning game to the next level. So if you're tired of dealing with expensive ink cartridges and want a printer that's not only cost-effective but also kind to the planet, I highly recommend checking out the Epson EcoTank ET-4800 wireless. You can get it for an amazing price by clicking on the link below. Don't miss out on this incredible deal.